Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys our grocery haul. I'm going to be showing you basically our healthy way of eating and budget friendly way of eating, because I do have a monthly grocery budget and I try and only spend about $100 a week. So sometimes we might need to pick something up for our recipe throughout the week, but we typically like to do like our bulk grocery shopping. We like to do about $100 a week. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and head out. I am in number 2.
Alright, you have 2 minutes. You have 2 cards ahead of you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we are back at the house now. We have the groceries. The kids are upstairs, so I can film this for you guys real quick. I am also going to be showing and sharing with you guys me kind of putting everything away, cleaning up the refrigerator, the pantry, things like that. I also want to mention that I went ahead and I joined a open collab, and I've never done one of those before. I think it's a super cool idea. Basically, a couple of YouTubers here on YouTube, Carla McKenzie and the Welder's Wife, they both have YouTube channels here. They're doing a open collab grocery haul, and so I kind of joined it. So I'm just going to have my link to this video in a playlist of theirs, and we're gonna have a whole playlist link down below in the description. So you're not only gonna be able to see my budget friendly healthy grocery haul, you're also gonna be able to see some other grocery hauls from some other mamas here on YouTube, and it's gonna be all in one playlist. So it's gonna be super simple, and you can just go and see all kinds of different ideas. They went to different stores than I did, so make sure you guys check that out down below. So the first thing we got are some grapes. My favorite grapes are the Costco cotton candy grapes, but I have to make a Costco trip. Then I went ahead and got some Pop-Tarts, just in the strawberry flavor. And then right here we have the Nature Valley biscuits with almond butter. You guys know I love these. These are like me and Ava's favorite snack. So they have fiber and they're whole grain, and I just really love them. Over here we have apples. We went ahead and got 4 apples for the week. They are Honey Crisp. And then I went ahead and bought these 2 packs of strawberries. It's really weird because they are 2 completely different brands. I guess I'm gonna be able to try the different brands. But they're the same size, so I think it was like a 2 for $5 deal. I went ahead and grabbed one of these easy buttery home style mashed potatoes. I do have a lot of sweet potatoes and regular potatoes for us to like have baked potatoes and stuff this week, but I wanted to get one of these because they're just kind of an easy thing to match with some meat and veggies and stuff like that. It just depends on how tired I am. Let's keep it real. And then I went ahead and got a thing of romaine lettuce. I will have the prices on the screen. You've probably already seen that. So this is just the Kroger brand romaine hearts. I did grab a bag of kale. We'll actually be eating this kale today with our dinner. And then I went ahead and grabbed a couple of pears. I went ahead and grabbed a couple of peppers. And then you guys know I love these iced drinks. We all love them. It just helps you stay away from like soda and juices that have a lot of sugars in it. So I grabbed a pack of these. So right here I went ahead and got some blueberries, some Baby Bella sliced mushrooms to go with dinner. So I went ahead and bought a couple of zucchinis, and then also basil. I love to flavor my foods with basil, and then also cilantro. I pick up cilantro weekly. These are a lot of my staples. Then I got a bag of Caesar salad, and then I went ahead and bought some spinach. Then we got some of these rainbow baby carrots. I got a couple of avocados that are apparently not gonna be ready for like a week. They're like rock hard. A quick way to actually get your avocados ripe or ready to eat is just leaving them out on the counter, and then I find when I put them in the fridge, they make them last longer. So it's just really where they're at. And right now they need to stay out on the counter. 1 onion, 1 lemon, some turkey bacon. We've been going through this a lot. So I got some drumsticks, and I got some thigh fillets. I am gonna be doing a recipe on the Yumly app that I always use. I always talk about it, but I am gonna be doing a new recipe, so I grabbed these for that. So I went ahead and picked up some steaks. And then I went ahead and got a pack of this Nature Owns whole wheat. Then we went ahead and got some Pop Secret popcorn because we definitely need snacks. I got a pack of sharp cheddar for like taco night. And then I got some bananas. I got this Simply Dressed vinaigrette. This is going with the new chicken meal that I am trying, and it's lemon also. I went ahead and got some regular sliced cheese. So then I went ahead and got a few Lunchables. So that is all I got. I spent a little bit over $100, but I feel really good about it. It's just some necessities and necessities. It's just some staples that we did have to pick up and some few other things that I needed for recipes. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put everything away. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and just clean up the refrigerator a little bit and put everything away. So I am using a mixture of lemon essential oils and some vinegar, and just using that as a cleaning product because it is a more natural and non-toxic choice. So this isn't going to be a deep cleaning of my refrigerator. If you do want to see that type of video, I will have those linked below. I've done quite a few of those on my channel where I take everything out and I really go in and deep clean. But this is kind of what I do every time I go grocery shopping. I like to make sure I'm just restocking into a cleaner refrigerator, and it just gives me that time and the opportunity to go in and kind of clean it up. So I wanted to get some up close shots so you guys see that my refrigerator is actually dirty. I'm not cleaning a clean refrigerator, as they say in the comments. Let me know if you guys do this. If you guys have like a routine where you guys will clean your refrigerator every time you go grocery shopping, or do you just do it once a month? Let me know in the comments. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and take out some old food that I had in the refrigerator and get rid of it. So right here, I'm just kind of organizing how I want the food to go into my refrigerator. Sometimes this takes a few times until it's just right. So I did go ahead and wash the apples before I put them in this little organizer. I actually got this organizer from Amazon, so I do have it linked in my description box in my Amazon favorites. It really comes in hand and it just looks cute, aesthetically pleasing. So the foods that come in boxes, I like to go ahead and take those out and put them into the baskets and then go ahead and recycle the boxes. All right, you guys, so I'm all done. If you guys enjoyed this grocery haul slash a little bit of cleanup, go ahead and give me a like. It really helps out my channel. I'm really out of breath. Whew. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're new. Also go check out that playlist and check out what those other ladies got for their household. It's always fun to kind of check out what other people have in their kitchen and how they budget and all that fun stuff. Here's the comment of the day. I hope you guys have a wonderful week and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.